In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in an invoice template in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your invoices look professional and on brand every time. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top navigation menu and find the option labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to what you're billing your customers for. Once you're in the sales area, you'll see several options. Look for Invoices and click on that. This will take you to the main Invoices page, where you can see existing invoices and create new ones. Even though we're focusing on the logo, coming here makes it easy to access the invoice settings later. Next, click on New Invoice. Don't worry, we're not actually going to create a full invoice right now. This is simply a quick way to get into the invoicing view, where we can then access the template and branding options. When the new invoice screen opens, look towards the top or upper right area for an icon showing 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu gives you additional settings related to invoicing that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. From the drop-down list that appears, click on Invoice Settings. This is where you control how your invoices look and behave, including your logo, layout, and other branding details. You'll now be in the Invoice Settings section. Look for a button or link labeled Options. Click on Options to reveal more actions you can take with your invoice templates. In the Options menu, choose Upload Logo. This is the key step. When you click Upload Logo, Xero will open a file selection window from your computer. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Choose the logo file you want to use, usually a clear PNG or JPEG image, and confirm your selection. Xero may give you a quick preview and might ask you to save the changes. Make sure the logo looks clean and not blurry, and that it fits nicely within the template preview. Once you're happy, save your settings. From now on, your chosen logo will automatically appear on invoices that use that template, giving your documents a polished and consistent look.